Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing an Active Autowerks tune install. It's a little piggyback similar to the JB4. It's pretty simple actually. You take off this panel, remove the engine cover. If you don't know how to remove the engine cover, shut off this video right now and sell your car. So,
you're funny. Funny.
Take the panels off. You're gonna want to unbolt that 10mm screw to get the box in. Then you screw it back down, and it actually does have better fitment than the JB4. JB4 you kind of plug it in and just throw it around wherever you can. So we ran the wiring harness through the bottom of this rubber cover. Put that back on later. And then it's really simple. It only has 3 cables you have to plug in. There's one for the manifold pressure. It's back here. Unplug that, plug it in. It's really simple. And you have another one for the boost pressure sensor. Right there. Another simple install. Then the one that's a little hard is going to be the camshaft, right?
Camshaft position sensor.
The camshaft position sensor. And that is down here. So this car has an engine intake, so it was a little easier for us to do it than if you had a factory intake. But what we did is disassembled this area of the intake, popped it up. Oh, well, we already tightened it back down. So you're gonna want to pop it up, and right in there, you guys can barely see that. Let me see. Right in there. So right in there is the camshaft position sensor. Always refer to the instructions online on Active Autowerks' website. But you basically unplug it, just like you did all the other cables. Plug it back in with the cables provided by Active Autowerks. Plug it into the ECU, and you're tuned. So we'll do a little video for you guys now once we have it running again. So it's pretty simple. Ace, what was the other thing we had to do at the beginning?
What do you mean?
The thing to turn off the car and stuff?
Oh, just turn off the car and lock it, wait 10 minutes, and then
they say to turn off the car, lock it, put the key inside or wherever, so the key isn't active around the car. So basically the ECU can turn itself off, because it does stay on for like 10 minutes. So you're gonna wanna turn the car off, lock it, get rid of the key, flush it down the toilet, do whatever you want. Wait 10 minutes, and by then your ECU should be fully off, and then you can start unplugging sensors and whatnot. So he's trying to do the wiring. Doesn't look like it's gonna be very pretty. Got a little zip tie action. So yeah, let's get back to you guys. Alright, so what do you think?
That was fast. It's quick.
How'd you feel?
Boost everywhere. Lots of boost.
So we noticed that it holds boost more throughout the rev range, right?
Yeah. Holds it, just pulls and pulls and pulls.
Yeah. So if you want to be driving a freight train instead of a Beamer, we suggest the Active-8 tune. I'm not a fan, honestly, because I have an N54, so you know JB4 is life. But for this, pulls pretty good. Still not an N54, but hey.
Hey, hopefully your
Not
car
bad.
doesn't catch on fire.
Yeah, blower motor recall. Get that done, boys. You don't want your shit catching on fire.
Why don't you do it?
Nah, I want my shit to catch on fire. Oh, police. Hey, man. Whoop, whoop. So, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, sideways.
Bro! That was 3rd gear!
Third gear, he says.
I think it was. It was your 3rd or 2nd, but I was doing like 40.
Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments.